They're still playing cricket at night. They are playing the game in the dark. They're on guard for a backlash of light. They are losing the ball at long leg. They are trying to learn how the dark helps the Yorker knock back the off peg. They are trying to find a new trick where the ball moves to darkness from light. They are determined to paint the scene black, that the blackness compounded by white. They are dying to pass a new law where blindness is deemed to be sight, where blindness is deemed to be sight. They're still playing cricket at night. 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 They are trying to find a new trick where the ball moves for darkness from light. They are determined to paint the scene black, but the blackness compounded by white. They are dying to pass a new law where blindness is deemed to be sight, where blindness is deemed to be sight. They're still playing cricket at night. They're still playing cricket at night.